Hello everyone. Today we will talk over the topic significance of research. We can start our discussion by a famous quote by Hudson Maxim, who was the most versatile man in America. All progress is born of inquiry. Doubt is often better than overconfidence, for it leads to inquiry and inquiry leads to invention. In this context, we can understand the significance of the research. Increased amount of research make progress possible. The role of research in several fields of applied economics, whether related to business or to the economy as a whole, has greatly increased in modern times. The increasingly complex nature of business and government has focused the attention on the use of research in solving operational problems. Research as an aid to economic policy has gained added importance both for government and business. So, we can discuss the importance or uses or significance of research. Firstly, research provides the basis for government policies in our economic system. For instance, government budget rests in part on an analysis of the needs and desire of the people and on the availability of revenues to meet these needs. The cost of need is equal to the probable revenues. For this achievement, research is most needed. Through research, we can suggest alternative policies and can as well as examine the consequences of each of these alternatives. Most of the government programs are directly or indirectly related to the economic condition of the people of the country. In chalking out this program, research methods will be of great use. The problem of cultivators, the problem of big and small business and industry, working condition, trade union activities, the problem of distribution, even the size and nature of defense service can be studied with the help of research. Another area in government where research is necessary is collecting information on the economic and structure of the nation. Such information indicates what is happening in the economy and what changes are taking place. Thus, in the context of government, research as a tool to economic policy has three distinct phases of operation, which is first one, investigation of economic structure through continual compilation of facts, diagnosis of events that are take place and the analysis of the force underlying them, and third one is prognosis, that is prediction of future developments. Secondly, research has its special significance or helps in solving various operational planning problems of business and industry. Operation research and market research along with motivational research are very useful in making business decisions. Operation research refers to the application of mathematical, logical and analytical techniques to the solution of business problem of cost minimization or of profit maximization, or what can be termed as optimization problems. Market research is the investigation of the structure and development of a market for the purpose of formulating efficient policies for purchasing, production and sales. Motivational research of determining why people behave as they do is mainly concerned with market characteristics. In other words, it is concerned with the determination of motivation underlying consumer or market behavior. Research related to demand and market factors has great utility in business management analysis. Market analysis has become an integral tool of business policies these days. Business budgeting, which ultimately result in a projected profit and loss account, is based mainly on sales estimates, which in turn depends on business research. Once sales forecasting is done, efficient production and investment program can be set up around which are grouped the purchasing and financing plan. Thirdly, research help in solving social problems. Research in social science is concerned both with knowledge for its own sake and with knowledge for it can contribute to particular concerns. And the last point, research is useful to students, professionals, philosophers, literary men, analysts, and intellectuals. To those students who are write a master's or a PhD thesis, research may mean a careerism or a way to attain high position in the social structure. To professionals in research methodology, research may mean a source of livelihood. To philosophers and thinkers, research may mean the outlet for new ideas and insight. To literary men and women, research may mean the development of new styles and creative work. To analysts and intellectuals, research may mean the generalization of new theories. Thus, research is the fountain of knowledge for the sake of knowledge and an important source of providing guideline for solving different business, governmental and social problems. It is a sort of formal training which enable one to understand the new development in the field in a better way. I hope you get an insight into the significance of research. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.